Hello again and welcome to the section where we explore music production fundamentals. As we journey further into the world of music creation, it becomes crucial to grasp the core techniques and concepts that form the backbone of any great production. Music production is an art and a science. It's where creativity meets technology, allowing us to transform simple melodies and rhythms into fully fledged masterpieces. Whether you're looking to produce chart-topping hits, ambient soundscapes, or anything in between, understanding the fundamentals is the key. In this section, we'll explore the entire production process from the initial stages of planning to the final touches in post-production. We'll delve into sound physics, the difference between Midi and audio, and the art of mixing. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid foundation to start producing your own tracks, turning your raw musical ideas into polished pieces ready for the world to hear.